Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv. We have 1 plus sine 2x ds. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of sine 2x, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x. So we have u multiplied by v, and then I need to put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration from 0 to b over 4, and we have this one with the s. Now I need to put b over 4 gone here and number 0 gone here, and then we will have about b over 4 multiplied by b over 4 minus 1 over 2 cosine of 2 multiplied with b over 4 minus 0 minus 1 over 2 cosine of number 2 multiplied by number 0. So this one you got about 0 because we have number 0 in here. This one, number 2 multiplied by b over 4, we have b over 2. So about cosine b over 2, you got about 0. Now we just have only b over 4 with b over 4. And that's about b squared over 16. Now, the next one, the integration of s. We have s squared over 2. The integration of cosine 2x, we have 1 over 2 sine 2x, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. And now we have the final answer in here. Because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive in here. So sine of number 0, you got about 0 in here. Number 0, you got about 0 in here. Now we have sine b over 2, and that is about number 1. So we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. We have 1 over 4. This one we have b squared b square, and we have 4 square, that's about 16. 16 with number 2, you got about 32. So we need to open parentheses. So this one minus this one, we have b square over 32 plus 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.